Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking the goal and preparing your tools. Decide your niche and a realistic schedule, because consistency builds momentum. Once done, free up 128 GB or more and update iOS so recording is stable. Make sure your iPhone camera is set to 1080p or 4K depending on storage. Higher resolution helps repurposing. Install YouTube Studio, a lightweight editor like iMovie or CapCut, and a sound app. Now you're ready to capture the first test footage. Now you record with intention. Position yourself toward natural light and use a reflector or white card to fill shadows. Lock exposure and focus so brightness stays consistent. You should plug in an external mic or lav for clear audio. Bad sound kills retention. Choose 16, 9 for standard videos or 9, 16 for shorts, and frame at eye level. In editing, cut flab quickly, add jump cuts, captions, and a quick hook in the first 5 seconds so viewers stay watching. Finish by uploading with optimization in mind. Craft a clear title that includes primary keywords, add 3 to 5 relevant tags, and write a concise description with one call to action like subscribe or playlist. Create a custom thumbnail with high contrast and readable text. Close-up faces increase clicks. Schedule or publish at your audience's peak. After launch, check analytics in 48 to 72 hours. If click-through rate is under 4%, change the thumbnail and title. Troubleshoot audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.